Good morning student, this is our second period for maths part 2. First lesson differentiation and we will continue exercise 1.1. Second question, differentiate the following with respect to x. In this second question, question number 6, 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3. Solution is let y is equal to 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx, derivatives of y is equal to dy by dx is equal to d by dx 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 is equal to, here the derivatives of 5 raised to sine cube x means derivatives of a raised to x, that is a raised to x means 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 into log a means 5 into, once again sine cube x plus 3 is the function, therefore again differentiate this function d by dx sine cube x plus 3 is equal to 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 into log 5 into sine cube, derivative of sine cube is equal to 3 sine square x into d by dx sine x plus 0, derivatives of 3 as a constant number 0 and is equal to 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 into log 5 into 3 sine square x into derivatives of sine as a cos x, and final answer is 3 5 raised to sine cube x plus 3 into log 5 into sine square x into cos x. Okay, so this is our solution for this question. Next question is question number 13. Question number 13, e raised to log square log x bracket square minus log x square. Again solution is let y is equal to e raised to log x square log x bracket square minus log x square. Here e raised to log, here always log has a base e, then this is meaning as e raised to log e, that is log x bracket square minus log x square, here reason is a raised to log a raised to x is equal to x. इथे बेस तुमचा e आहे त्याच्यामुळे e log e असं होईल, means a log a raised to x, answer is a, that's why it is written as our solution. Differentiate now, differentiate with respect to x, therefore derivatives of y as a dy by dx is equal to d by dx log x bracket square minus log x square. We separating this as 2 d by dx log x, sorry, d by dx log x bracket square minus 2 d by dx log x. Now differentiate as a x raised to n 2 log x into d by dx log x as a function log x minus 2 into 1 upon x is equal to 2 log x into d by dx means 1 upon x, that is x minus 2 upon x. It is our solution. हे अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला सॉल्व करता है. e log e मीन्स हा फॉर्म्युला यूज केलेला आहे a log a raised to x is equal to x, therefore log x square minus log x square. Differentiate with respect to x, derivatives of y is equal to dy by dx, then d by dx our function, then separating two parts d by dx log x bracket square minus 2 log x. It is the formula in logarithm. Therefore this is a x raised to n, x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1, that means 2 log x into log x next function, therefore d by dx log x minus 2 d by dx log x, the derivative is 1 upon x, therefore 2 log x into 1 upon x means 2 log x upon x minus 2 upon x. Okay, this is the second question. Now we will start our third question. Our third question is question number 3. Also differentiate the following with respect to x. In this question number 1, x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. Here let y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. Differentiate with respect to x, therefore d by dx dy by dx derivatives of y dy by dx is equal to d by dx x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. Now separating these addition is d by dx x square plus 4x plus 1 bracket cube plus d by dx x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. Now this bracket is considered as a x, then it is as a x raised to n. Therefore according to formula x raised to n is equal to derivatives of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. Therefore 3 into x square minus 4x plus 1 bracket square 3 minus 1 into d by dx. Now this is a bracket as x square plus 4x minus plus 1 plus once again d by dx x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to 4. It is also the x raised to n, then n means 4 x cube minus 5x minus 2 bracket raised to n minus 1 means 3 into d by dx x cube minus 5x minus 2. Now again 3 into bracket as it is means 3 into x square minus 4x plus 1 plus 1 bracket square into derivative of x square means 2x x raised to n formula plus 4x 4 constant and x derivative is 1 means 4 and 1 as a constant, total derivative as a 0 means 2x plus 4. Next plus 4 and bracket as it means x cube minus 5x minus 2 as it is bracket cube into derivatives of x cube x raised to n 3x square minus 5x derivative is 1 and minus 2 as a constant 0. It is our answer. Okay, so solution is complete. Now second question is question number 2. 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8. Okay, let y is equal to 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8. Now in first lecture we see the formula for u into v. U into v d by dx u into v u into dv by dx plus v into du upon dx. This is the formula for u into v, first function into derivatives of second function plus second function into derivatives of first function. Here first function is 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 and second function is 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8. Therefore differentiate with respect to x. Therefore dy by derivatives of y dy by dx is equal to d by dx into 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8. According to formula u into v, u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx means first term and second term. First term as it is means 1 plus 4x raised to 5 bracket raised to 5 into d by dx v means second term function 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 plus now second function as it is means 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 into derivatives of first function d by dx 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 is equal to 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into derivatives of 3 as a 0 plus 1 derivative of x is 1 minus 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 total bracket as considered as a x, then it is as a x raised to n, and according to x raised to n formula n means 8 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to n minus 1 means 7. Now into d by dx 3 plus x minus x square plus bracket as it is 3 plus x minus x square raised to 8 into once again x raised to n formula 5 1 plus 4x into d by dx 1 plus 4x. Now the answer is 1 plus 4x bracket raised to 5 into 8. 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 7 into 3 as a 0, derivatives of 3 0, derivatives of x as a 1 minus 2x plus 3 plus x plus x 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 into 5 1 plus 4x into derivatives of 1 as 0 into 4x derivatives as a 4. Therefore, it is as a 8 into 1 plus 4x raised to 5 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 7 into 1 minus 2x plus 5 into 4 20 into 3 plus x minus x square bracket raised to 8 into 1 plus 4x. Okay. Okay students, question number 3, differentiate the following with respect to x sub question number 4. X cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 upon x cube plus 3 bracket raised to 3. Let solution is, let y is equal to x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 upon x cube plus 3 bracket raised to 3. Here we use the formula for u upon v, means the derivatives of first lecture we see the formula d by dx u upon v is equal to v into d by dx u minus u into dv by dx upon v square. According to this formula, differentiate with respect to x, therefore dy by dx is equal to d by dx x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 upon x cube plus 3 bracket raised to 3. According to this formula, v as a denominator, therefore x cube plus 3 bracket cube into d by dx u means numerator x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 minus numerator means x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 into d by dx denominator x cube plus 3 bracket cube upon v square means denominator square x cube plus 3 bracket cube. Now here x cube as it is plus 3 bracket cube into d by dx, total bracket as a x means x raised to n, that means 5 x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 4 into d by dx x cube minus 5 minus x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 as it is into total bracket as a x means x raised to n 3 x cube plus 3 bracket square into d by dx d by dx x square plus 3 upon here x cube plus 3 bracket cube and square means bracket raised to 6. Now next step is here is equal to x cube plus 3 bracket cube 5 taking as a forward x cube plus 3 bracket cube into x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 4 into derivatives of x cube 3x square minus x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 into here 3 is forwarding x cube plus 3 bracket square into 3x square upon x cube plus 3 bracket raised to 6 is equal to 3 into 5 15 x cube plus 3x cube into x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 4 into x square minus 3 into 3 9 x cube minus 5 bracket raised to 5 into x cube plus 3 bracket square into x square upon x cube plus 3 bracket raised to 6. Okay students, this is the u upon v, derivatives of u upon v. Formula is d by dx u upon v is equal to v into d by dx u minus u into dv by dx upon v square. Okay. Next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is as same as question number 5. So we solve as question number 5. Question number 5. Assume that f dash x is equal to minus 1 g dash 2 is equal to 5 g of 2 is equal to 3 and y is equal to f of g of x then dy by dx x is equal to 2 is equal to question mark. Okay, here f dash 3 is equal to minus 1, f dash 2 is equal to 5, g of 2 is equal to 3 and y is equal to f of g of x. Let y is equal to f of g of x, therefore dy by dx is equal to f dash of g of x into g dash x. Here x is equal to 2, therefore dy by dx x is equal to 2 is equal to f dash of g of 2 into g dash of 2 is equal to f dash g of 2 is equal to given as a 3 into g dash 2 is given as a 5, g dash 2 is given as a 5, again f dash 3 is given as a minus 1 into 5 is equal to minus 5. 1 into 5 minus 5. It is very simple question and solve easily as a given values. Okay. Next question also same, question number 6. We take it. Question number 6. Question number 6. If h of x is equal to root 4 f of x plus 3 g of x, f of 1 is equal to 4, g of 1 is equal to 3, f dash 1 is equal to 3, g of 1, g dash 1 is equal to 4, find h dash 1. Dash means the derivatives. Given solution, given h of x is equal to root 4 f of x plus 3 g of x. Differentiate, therefore h dash x is equal to derivatives of root means 1 upon 2 root 4 f of x plus 3 g of x into d by dx 4 f of x plus 3 g of x. Now 1 upon 2 into root 4 f of x plus 3 g of x into 4 as it is f dash x plus 3 into g dash x. Here x is equal to 1, therefore h dash of 1 is equal to 4 into f dash 1 plus 3 into g dash 1 upon 2 root 4 into f of 1 plus 3 into g of 1 is equal to 4 into f dash 1 is equal to 3 plus 3 into g dash 1 is equal to 4 upon 2 into root 4 into f of 1 is equal to 4 plus 3 into g of 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 12 plus 12 upon 2 into 16 plus 9 is equal to 24 upon 2 into 16 plus 9 25 root 25 means 5 is equal to 12 upon 5. This is our answer for question number 6. Now this exercise is completed. We will start next exercise for next period.